What's up, family? Let's do a detailed facial routine. Mwah. Now, we're not gonna start. Let's start with an intro. We're back the week, baby. We're back that week. Now, take your notes, your jotter, while we do a proper intro, and let's dash straight up. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Where we have beauty cosmetic and all the products are here. Facial scrub. Number 1, remove your hair, face. Remove the hair, facial scrub, apply on your face, wash off after it works. Then use your facial wash, apply on your hands gently, and the nasty. Rub it on your face, scrub it in a circular motion. Make sure you wash off those dirt stuff. Okay, we don't need them no more. Wash off, dry, and apply your vitamin C moisturizer. Okay, we're going to be applying this on our face gently. What did I say? Gently. Apply it to your beautiful skin, baby. Apply, let it work, and one most important thing, literally allow it to dry. Make it dry. Okay, now it's gonna be dried, and apply second layer don't mind my accent, guys. Apply the glue serum, allow it to dry as well, gently on your face. Next one is tonic. So pretty, the facial tonic. This is a crown of it all, the final touch. I'm not using a sunscreen. Yeah, apply this on your face so gently, circular motion, and allow it to work. It's gonna dry. Okay, make sure it dries on your face. If it's not working with your natural drying, which I recommend, but use your hand fan. If you're in a haste to go see your Barbie or your sweetie, here's your hand fan, so it will work well. Period. Now look at the just look at the face. Isn't it flawless? Period. Rate it in the comment section. Follow me for more. I love you. Thank you.